petty cash book. So it is a subsidiary book meant for recording of small payments like postage, telegram, printing, stationery, traveling cartage, coolie, refreshment, water charges, electricity, and etc. So it is a subsidiary book meant for recording for a small payments like stationery, as we know, stationery, telegram for paying the telegram bill, and also for printing, for paying the printing bill, and also stationery bills, and also traveling expenses are posted into the petty cash book. So what are the features? So firstly, it is a subsidiary book, and it is a book of original entry, and it is a part of ledger. So petty cash book is a part of the ledger, and it shows the small payments made. So petty cash book will always show the small payments in the business transaction. So it indicates the petty cash balance on every date. So small payments, the amount we will get. So it indicates the petty cash balance on the given date. So then what are the objectives of the petty cash book? It reduces the burden of the main cash book. So we can't write all in the cash book. So that's why small entries or small payments are written in the petty cash book. It reduces the burden of the main cash book, and it avoids unnecessary labor involved in the posting. So while writing in the cash book and then posting into the ledger, so it is easy to post. It avoids unnecessary labor involved in the posting. The total expense of different nature will be available at glance. It avoids main cash book becoming unwieldy. So while writing all entries, that is small payments made, the cash book would become unwieldy. So that's why it avoids, that petty cash book avoids main cash book becoming unwieldy. It is possible to have control over the petty payments. So it reduces the burden of the chief cashier. So this is all about the objectives of the petty cash book, and also these are the advantages of the petty cash book. And what are the types of petty cash book? So it includes two types. There are two types of petty cash book. One is simple petty cash book, and next analytical petty cash book. So simple petty cash book, it is a subsidiary book. Firstly, petty cash book is a subsidiary book which contains only one amount column for all classes of petty expenses. So simple petty cash book, it includes only one amount column for all causes. Whatever it would be, only one column would be there in the simple petty cash book. It does not contain separate amount column for the each class of petty payments. It is prepared on the lines of the simple or singular column of the cash book. So all the entries are made in a single column. So format of the simple petty cash book, it includes amount received column, cash book folio column, date column, particular column, voucher number column, ledger folio column, and also amount paid column. So this is all about the simple petty cash book. And also amount received, that is nothing but column, that column is used for recording the amount received from the chief cashier by the petty cashier. So cash book folio column is used for recording the page number of the cash book where the entries for the payments is made by the chief cashier to the petty cashier is recorded. So date column which is common to both receipts and payment side. The writing the date of the receipts of the amounts by the petty cashier on the receipt side and the date of the payments on the payment side. So particular column includes which is common to both side, used for recording the particular of the receipts as well as payments column. Voucher number is used for recording the number of the vouchers obtained by the petty cashier while making the payments. And ledger folio, that is LF. Ledger folio column is used for writing the page numbers of the ledger which the particular ledger account is maintained. So amount column is used for recording the amount paid for the particular class of expenditure. This is all about the petty cash book. So it includes small payments like received paid postages, paid taxi fares, paid wages, and paid to coolie, paid to purchase and stationery. This is all about the small payments which is used for petty cash book. So secondly, analytical petty cash book. It is also known as columnar petty cash book. So in this petty cash book, petty expenditures are recorded by providing separate columns of each expenditure on analysis. In simple petty cash book, all are recorded in only one, but here separate columns for each expenditure. On analysis, it is also called as columnar petty cash book. Further, in this petty cash book, each expenditure or payments is entered twice, first in total payments column and secondly in respect of amount column. So format of analytical petty cash book, it includes amount received column, CBF column, date column, particular column, voucher number, total payments, and it includes analysis of payments heading column, P&T, P&S, like small, it includes small payments, postage, and also wages, like that. Separate column for each payments made, that is small payments made in analysis of payments, and ledger folio column and ledger account and also remarks. So this is all about the format of analytical petty cash book. So the difference is here in a analytical petty cash book there are more columns for each payment, that is small payments, recording of small payments, like example postage, telegram, we can write in only one column, that is in simple petty cash book, but in analytical petty cash book we will write in separate columns, that is separate for stationery, separate for others, and also wages and so on. So this is about the simple petty cash book and analytical petty cash book. So this is all about, you will see.